Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make cartoon animated videos in Canva. Okay, first things first, open up your browser of choice. And then, from here, what you are going to do is to open up your Canva by typing it on the search bar. Just simply type in www.canva.com and head press the website for us to start editing. So from here, what you are going to do is log in your account. However, if you do not have an account yet, just simply manually create one or just sign up using your existing account. Like for example, Gmail accounts. Before proceeding, first, let me explain what Canva is. Canva is a cloud-based graphic design tool used to create on-brand marketing content, sales presentations, training videos, and more by companies of all sizes. This solution includes features such as drag and drop design and photo editing with access to custom fonts, frames, shapes, grids, and icons. So, do note that using Canva Premium gives you access to more presets that you can use for your editing. But the thing is, Canva Premium is behind a paywall. So, if you want to use everything that Canva has to offer, and then I highly recommend Canva Premium for you. Okay? For us to proceed, once you have logged in your account, the main menu of Canva will be greeting you. As you can see, there are lots and lots of selections for you to do. But if you want to go ahead and edit your animated video, what you should do is press the video icon under the Canva search bar. By pressing that button, Canva will automatically show you all the presets or templates that you can choose from. It can vary to YouTube videos, Reels, ads, video messages, and many more. But in this case, I highly recommend using the YouTube video preset. So, what this will do is open up a new tab where you can edit or upload your video. Meaning, in this tab is where all the customization and editing will happen. Once you are here, you can see in the right side of your screen some choices for customizations. In Design, there you can select pre-made designs which you can further customize. So as you can see, we'll show you all of the available templates in making a YouTube video. Next is Elements. These are where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your video. And then, we have Uploads. In here, you can upload your own files or video that you have recorded on your own. Here, in Text, this is where you can add text to your video. This comes with so much fonts to help you further customize your design. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your video. And lastly, Projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you have made in the past. Anyways, what you want to do now is start customizing. But you must be wondering, how are you going to do all of that? If that's the case, if you want to have your animated cartoon now, what you want to do is head on to the Elements section. Now, once you are in the Elements tab, what you want to do is search for 3D character on the tiny search bar. Once you have done that, you can see several sections of the results for what you just searched. If you have Canva Premium, you can head on easily to the video section and use everything that you want right there. For example, I will be using this dancing dog character right here as an example of what Canva can bring you. Because in my case, I happen to have the premium version of Canva. But if you don't, the character video I'll be using will have a watermark on it, and you will not be able to save your video without paying for it. So, if you do not have Canva Pro, what you want to do is head on to the graphics section instead. In here, you will still see 3D characters, but they are not yet animated. So for us to animate it and turn it into an animated cartoon video, what you want to do is select the 3D character of your choice. Here, what I choose is the Rocket Lady because it will work well with the idea that I have in mind. So now that you have your 3D character in your video, what you want to do is press your 3D character and press Animate on the interface above your video. Doing this will show you a selection of animations that you can use for your video. So, the idea that I have in mind earlier is to use the drift animation to make it look like that she is flying. And now, to view the video, what you are going to do is press the maximize icon on the bottom right interface of Canva. By pressing this, you can now watch what you have created in all of its glory. Now that you are done viewing, let us now save the video by pressing the ESC button to proceed. Then, what you will see is the download button on the top right of your screen. And then, a selection will appear if you want to change the format of the video that you created. Just simply press download to install the video that you have created. And you are now set. And that's it. You can now make cartoon animated videos in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.